Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mini Diaries. I'm Mini Dobby and this Sunday morning we're all headed down to the unit. I've got Bug who's playing with the lights at the moment, getting some more light over his Mini. Like plenty of other Mini heads and you guys too, which I've seen, you're out on a Sunday morning playing Minis, getting the Minis ready for the 2019 season. I'm going to mention 2019 one last time for IMM. I've got a little idea that I'm going to host a meet whilst at the IMM on the Saturday morning. It'd be cool to go out for the 30-mile drive down to Cheddar Gorge. There's epic scenes and epic roads down there. Leave a comment down below guys to let me know what you think, if you'd come along. I know a few of my pals, a few of the mini heads are going to come down and we're going to go down there and see what Cheddar Gorge is all about. It does get a little bit long being on the campsite for the 4 or 5 days, and the Minis, Cheddar Gorge is what it's all about, going out for a drive. So leave any comments down below and let me know what you think about that. Today we're going to be doing some more work on Bug's car. He's in there going to be taking out the dash, that fun job, and I'm going to be hitting the crap out of his cone, trying to get that out, petrol tank, and then hopefully I can fit it all back together and drop the car down, and that's a few more jobs off the list. So stay tuned guys. One other thing, Rick will be down and we're bringing another Mini in, so there's going to be plenty of Mini content to be keeping an eye out for. Any questions, anything like that, hit me up, leave a message down below and I'll get back to you as soon as. All that wiring back there, Bud. And we managed to get a new little fibre washer on the oil supply there for the pressure gauge. That was a bit fiddly, but we put some more PTFE tape on it and hopefully that'll stop that leaking. Have you seen over this side, Bug? Over here, look, it looks like this is where the mice are living. Maybe.
We've got a trap in there.
So the next job is to put a bowl in the dash, which Bug's got out. There's the old one, there's the old one, and the new one to go back in. Just see how you do that then, Bug. Oh, look at that. You made that look easy. Ta-da! This is one of them bits where I put in it 20 minutes later.
Ta-da!
It's easy as that, Bug.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. I'm glad you come down today.
Do you reckon we could turn the dash on?
Indicator's flashing.
Well, that's at the start.
What's your light work up?
Nope.
Yeah, giving it a tap will work. Asking it to come out and play.
Nope, light's not working. You've got crimpers?
Yeah. Need a new end on it.
Not so much a new end, it's just they've got to be crimped together a bit tighter, I reckon.
Okay. I'll just squeeze the end of the clip together.
Yeah.
But after this,
Cool.
yeah, they're working. That's your hazard one now. The indicator one's under the dash.
That's what I'm saying. So
Try the indicator one, Bug.
The hazard's doing what it's supposed to do then now.
if it wasn't,
Yeah, but he's
Woohoo!
it is now.
We can tick that off the list.
Finally.
Fucking hell.
Language bug, I have to cut that out.
I want sexy, like 1970s porn music. Bow, 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 bow.
Project Pinky, bring the funk, innit? Bust the funk out.
I'm gonna get the funk out.
Is it working, bug?
It is this side now.
Look at that.
Now your side.
No.
Yeah.
See the reflection of your car. Don't start. See, I'm a qualified vehicle electrician.
Fitter. You're a fitter. You fitted a relay.
2 relays.
Happy with yourself.
We've done that.
That's got tick.
Yeah, it's more of a crossbow.
Whatever.
Dash bulb, don't
Where's-
work still.
Where's the dash?
Underneath.
No, where's the indicators?
Indicator's up the top.
Ah,
Ooh, look at you. Don't have to clean it up, just scrub that out, works. And you're taking half the interior out. So there's a couple more mini heads for you down here on a Sunday, doing the work on Alex's SPI. Thanks for that, Rick.
As usual.
They're currently doing the engine and subframe mounts. It's moving about quite a bit. The front of the Mini there is moving around, and they're getting the new mounts in position. It's quite a nice little Mini. Alex did wish that he bought a different one if he could, but he's playing with this now, and he's enjoying and he's learning, as we all do. So let's go and see what they're up to. What's the matter, Rick?
It's fucked. Front end just moved kind of cold. I had all the welding done down here. It's blown it all.
It's not attached to the inner wing.
No. It was all welded.
Oh. You've got a removable front, Alex.
That's what I'm going for. And there's 2 great big cracks down each end.
Well, at least it won't take a lot to get it off. And it's not all bubbled on the top either, is it? Like,
Nah.
the paint's alright.
The paint's good.
Yeah, but that means the metal alright underneath might be alright, and it'll save you doing a new wing.
I was just going to do a new wing anyway. Because the welds down here, they've already been welded once. Fucked.
They didn't get rid of the rust the first time.
I didn't put any weld guns in there either.
So everyone, this is Rick. It's the reason why I've got into minis and into modifying minis. As you can see, he's all about doing it himself, getting the job done, and persevering with it. Sometimes with these minis, as you have to. See his pants there, Rick. But yeah, he's the reason why I got into minis, and I ended up with mine like it is. And now I'm down here on a Sunday playing minis, loving life.
Yeah.
done now. Rick and Alex have put the new subframe and engine mounts in. It's time to see if it'll start so we can get out of the way and we can finish off for the night and all go home. What do you reckon, Al? First time on the button? That's an SPI, that's why.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go. Cheers, man. So that's pretty much it for another episode. Been a bit busy down the yard today. Wasn't expecting Bug to come down, and it was pretty cool that it did. It meant that we got some of the fiddly bits done on the interior, like the dash. That's Alex just leaving now. He got all of his mounts done, and hopefully his front end's a little bit more solid than what it was. Managed to get the donut out of Bug, so I've just got to give the other side a whack now. But you can see the difference. You can see how much this one has been squashed and how much more bounce this one's going to give it. As this squashes, the more you squash it, the more it pushes back, so it's got more to travel than this one does, which is probably just solid. You had a good day, Rick?
Yeah, it's been banging.
First day out playing minis, it's unreal. It's great fun. We love everyone coming down and getting involved, so getting our hands dirty. Even Bug. Even Bug.
Really do buy.
There's a massive difference though, isn't it?
There's a massive difference.
There's a massive difference.
You've got to say bye to everyone. Bye, boys and girls. Thanks for watching.
Stay safe and be lucky. Thanks, guys.